Let's hit Nikola. Shares closing lower by 19% today as founder Trevor Milton steps down as executive chairman amid an investigation into the company. Nikola has fallen now 35% since Hindenburg Research published a report accusing the company of an ocean of lies, basically alleging fraud. Joining us now by phone in an exclusive interview is widely watched short seller Carson Block, Chief Investment Officer of Muddy Waters Capital. He does not have a short position in the stock, Carson, but clearly your insight here as someone an investor who has called out companies for fraud and has been right. I think mostly Chinese companies. What were you thinking as you read the Hindenburg report and as you watched this Nikola saga unfold?
Well, first of all, I think the research was great. There had been some reports previously about Nikola and some of the issues with the demonstration, but Hindenburg managed to bring a lot of new facts to bear. So I was impressed by that. Clearly, Trevor Milton is somebody who should, we should look a little bit askance because, even before the resignation this morning, I would say he had no credibility. And to me, the thing that really sticks is the promotional video that the company filmed of the Nikola One, where it referred to it as in motion and it was moving, but all they did was push it down a hill. And the fact that Nikola fought back so hard with fire and brimstone in its response, but then admitted that that allegation was actually correct, and they said, well, we never said it was moving under its own propulsion. That says a lot about the company, just in terms of the credibility of the people running it. Does it say anything about the technology? Yeah, I think you can infer that there could be more issues there than we would have otherwise thought. But really a bizarre and outrageous tale when you consider the market cap of this company.
Yeah, and I'm not going to dispute individual claims with you. I mean, CNBC has not verified any of the claims of fraud or anything like that. We've just been following the public as well. But Carson, what do you make of the sell-side analysts, some of them, coming to Nikola's defense here?
Well, yeah, and look, I will also just touch upon, that fraud point for a second. The company did admit that the video, that it was gravity-powered, but there is an interesting question. I mean, do these statements, do they amount to securities fraud? I don't know. I think it's a little bit close because companies have these safe harbor statements, and so when they give projections or when they make statements about the future, they can always fall back and say, well, gee, we were really optimistic, and yeah, we were too optimistic, but we told you that the future is inherently uncertain. So there might not be a good securities fraud case here. So all of these things that are, I think if we were sitting around having drinks, we would say are clearly BS statements, might not be fraud. Now, what do I make about sell-side analysts? I mean, sell-side analysts, basically their job, the way that I refer to them is they're a highly paid dating service for institutional investors. And the way that they really add value to the world, to the extent they do, is by arranging meetings between institutional clients and management. Now, it's no secret that if an analyst is not pretty bullish on a company, most managements will not allow that analyst to arrange the dates.